Have you ever tried cooking in a tiny kitchen, only to end up with a pile of pans that barely fit in your cabinet and a mountain of scrubbing after every meal? Yeah, I've been there. It's frustrating, messy, and honestly, it can make you dread even the simplest home-cooked dinner. That's why I want to take a closer look at the Carote 15-piece pots and pans set, a non-stick, detachable handle cookware system designed for people who love cooking but hate the clutter and hassle that often comes with it. Whether you're in a small apartment, an RV, or just trying to keep your kitchen organized, this set promises to tackle both the cooking and storage headaches. Right off the bat, the design stands out. Each piece has a sleek, modern look with a soft-touch non-stick surface that feels smooth to the touch. The detachable handles snap on and off effortlessly, giving the set a very flexible, almost modular feel. Instead of juggling multiple bulky handles or awkward pans, you get one set that transforms depending on what you're cooking. The materials feel surprisingly sturdy for something so compact. We're talking aluminum cores with a non-toxic, PFOA-free coating that's safe for everyday use. It's not flimsy or cheap feeling. It actually has a reassuring weight without being cumbersome. Performance-wise, these pans really shine. The non-stick coating works as promised. Eggs, pancakes, or sautéed vegetables slide right off with minimal oil. Even when cooking something sticky like tomato-based sauces, cleanup is a breeze. I tried washing a few pieces in the dishwasher, and they came out spotless, which is a huge time saver on busy nights. Heat distribution is solid too. Nothing burned or stuck in corners, and the pans respond quickly to stove adjustments, which makes cooking feel intuitive. The detachable handle system deserves a mention. It's secure enough to confidently move a heavy pan from stovetop to oven or even a dining table without wobbling. For RV trips or camping, this feature is a game changer. You can literally pack the whole set into a small bag without losing functionality, and the included pot protectors prevent scratches when stacking. That said, it's not perfect. If you're used to really heavy-duty professional cookware, you might notice the weight difference. These aren't as hefty as cast iron, which also means they cool down faster when off the stove. Also, the detachable handles take a little getting used to. You need to double-check the click before lifting anything heavy. But for most home cooks, especially those with space constraints, these are minor trade-offs. Compared to other mid-range cookware sets, the Carote set really stands out for versatility and space saving. Many traditional 12 to 15-piece sets take over your kitchen cabinets, but this one cuts down on clutter while still covering every cooking need from frying and boiling to baking and roasting. It's a solid choice against brands like Tefal or Cuisinart in the same price bracket, offering comparable non-stick performance with the bonus of detachable handles and nesting storage. So who is this set for? If you live in a small apartment, enjoy RV or camping cooking, or simply want an easy-to-clean, multi-purpose cookware solution, this set is worth serious consideration. If you're after ultra-heavy-duty restaurant-level pans, you might want to explore other options. But for everyday cooking, it's hard to beat the convenience. If you found this review helpful and want to make your kitchen a little more functional without the stress, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and check the link in the description to see the latest price on the Carote 15-piece set. It's one of those investments that makes cooking smoother, storage simpler, and cleanup almost enjoyable.